Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a thought-provoking topic. What if AI controlled the world? How would humans survive? Before we delve into the details, please hit that like and subscribe button for more in-depth content. The rise of AI has brought numerous benefits, from medical advancements to improved efficiency in various sectors. However, it also raises significant concerns about our future. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence and dominate various aspects of our lives. So, how do humans ensure survival in such a scenario? First and foremost, it's essential to establish ethical guidelines for AI development. These guidelines should ensure that AI systems prioritize human well-being and safety above all. Collaborative efforts between AI and humans can lead to a harmonious coexistence, where both can benefit from each other's strengths. Moreover, continuous education and adaptability will be crucial for humans. As AI continues to evolve, humans must also evolve by acquiring new skills and knowledge, emphasizing the importance of emotional intelligence. Creativity and other uniquely human traits can also ensure our relevance in an AI-dominated world. In conclusion, while the idea of AI ruling the world might seem daunting, with the right precautions, mindset, and adaptability, humans can not only survive but thrive in such an environment. Thanks for watching this extended discussion. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.